Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to get order filled sound on TradingView. First, open the TradingView website and sign into your account. Now go to Products and click on Supercharts. Once your chart opens, click on the settings icon from the top right corner. Now click on the Trading tab. Here, check the box for execution notifications. This enables sound alerts whenever an order is filled or executed. You can also use the volume slider to adjust how loud the notification sound will be. After that, click on the alarm clock icon and select a notification sound such as 3 notes reverb or any other sound you prefer. Then click OK to save your changes. Now click on Trade from the top right corner. Here, you can connect and trade with your supported broker directly through TradingView. Once your broker account is connected, any filled orders can trigger the execution notification sound you've enabled. You can place a test order or use a paper trading account to make sure the sound is working correctly. If you don't hear any sound, check that your browser tab is not muted, your computer volume is turned up, and TradingView has permission to play notifications. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.